to talk to you about today is what about that ugly house on the block that maybe fits into your budget, but it's just not your style, not your type, it's missing some features? Or what about that foreclosure or that abandoned house that you just cannot figure out how to get into that house because you may be short some funds to fix it up? So Movement Mortgage actually has 6 different kinds of renovation loans. This is a loan that your big name brand banks, Chase, Bank of America, Citibank, the credit unions, they will not talk to you about this because they don't offer it. What a renovation loan is let's say you want to buy a $350,000 outdated house, purple carpeting, pink wallpaper, gold cabinets, never updated since 1940, but it's in a $500,000 neighborhood. So they're selling it at a deep discount. If you want to put down, let's say, 5% on a $350 mortgage, you're not going to really have a lot of funds unless you have some savings to fix that house up. You can't close on it and then get a home equity line or a construction loan or anything like that. There's a program called a renovation mortgage, and what it allows us to do is use the future value. So let's say you find this old house for $350 in a 500 neighborhood. You want to dump $100,000 into it. What we do is when we submit your mortgage application, we have to get a contractor's estimate from you. You're going to have a contractor go out. I want a new kitchen. I want a dormer. I want to convert the garage. I want to do this, this, and this. I want to put a pool in. We're going to submit that with the appraiser. So when the appraiser goes out, they're going to see the contractors and say, okay, this is a $350 sale, but they're putting $100,000 worth of work. When this is done, I'm going to compare it to other houses in the neighborhood that are newly renovated. And let's say that appraisal comes in at $500,000. You're buying it for $350. We now have a cushion to give you that money to renovate the home. So as you're out there shopping, if the more desirable homes that are ready to move in, you may have some struggles getting in there. Don't forget the ugly house in the block, because you can close and make it your own. And if you want to talk more about this, just shoot me a message, get on my calendar. It's on the bottom of my emails, and we can talk more in depth about this program. But it's an amazing program. And like I said, your friends may not talk about it. Big banks may not talk about it because they're not aware that it exists. Talk to you soon. Mike Natta, Movement Mortgage.